Did you know Einstein once said the main reason he still went to the office was just for the walk home? Not for the physics, not for the research, for a friend. His name was Kurt Gödel, a mathematician so brilliant and so strange that most people couldn't follow a single conversation with him. Gödel had done something almost impossible. He had proven that no logical system could ever fully prove itself. He broke the dream of mathematical certainty, completely, forever, and somehow these two men found each other. Every afternoon they walked together through the quiet streets of Princeton. Two men who had each torn the floor out from under their own fields. Two men who understood, better than anyone alive, what it cost to see too clearly. They barely spoke. They didn't need to. Einstein had reshaped time and space. Gödel had shown that truth itself has limits. And together, in the fading light of suburban New Jersey, they just walked. Two minds too large for the world around them, finally somehow, not alone.